Hello and welcome once again to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva and I'm so happy that you took the time to stop by this channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on some of the trees and the plants in the garden. You know, the little spring update. As spring is bursting with life, so is the garden. Come with me. The first update is on this tree. Yes, this tall, majestic tree, the hog plum tree. The last time you saw the video on it, I showed you how it was bare, no leaves except for blossoms. But now leaves are back along with something else. These plums. Plums are shooting out. Yes, that's what it's all about. Pretty soon, I'll be harvesting hog plums. Yeah, have you ever eaten hog plums before? Do you know, or have you ever wondered why they're called hog plums? Well, historically, they have been used to fatten pigs or hogs, hence the name hog plums. Well, if you didn't know, now you know. So the hog plum tree here is on its way to producing fruits. And I can assure you, it will not be used to fatten pigs. All right, let's go on to the next tree. This is the avocado tree, the one that just started blossoming for the first time, which means we will be enjoying some avocados this year. It's a very large tree and there are many blossoms on it. By the way, do you know in some regions the fruit is known as alligator pear or avocado pear? Yes, an avocado is a large berry with a single seed. If you didn't know, now you know. So that's the update on this tree. Let's just slide on over to this one right here. That's the dwarf avocado tree. Yes, this one is loaded with blossoms as well. Check it out. This tree had only one avocado last year. Well, if these stay on, it's obvious we will be having many. That's the size of the tree. There you go. That's the dwarf avocado tree. Let's check out the coconut tree. So tall, so majestic. And the fruits, well, they are right here. Fruits of different sizes. These down here are so heavy, that they're hanging off. I'm going to have to prop it up. But look at the many over here that held up. Yeah. This tree is also one of those that's bearing fruits for the first time. Well, this is a banana plant. You notice a bunch of bananas are in bags. Here's one here and another one here. Why? Critters began eating the green fruits. Yes. So, to protect them so that they have a chance to mature to their full potential, I had to put them in bags. Simple. A garbage bag, put a hole in the bottom so that if it rains, the water will not collect there. Yes, you have to get ahead of the critters. And here is our dwarf Julie mango tree. Well, it had some blossoms on it, but the heavy winds blew them off. Yeah. And let me show you what's going on with the pineapples. Here is a bed of pineapple containers, and some of them started producing fruit, like this one. And this one, yes. And there are other pineapples in the garden that's producing fruits. Let's go check them out. Here's one and another. Two more over here. And the biggest one so far is this one. Let's go check out another bed. Here is a bed of pineapples, and a few of them are also producing fruits. Yeah. Check out this string beans bed. This bed was planted 5 weeks ago. And now, do you notice the blossoms? Which means very soon we will be having string beans. This will be our second string beans bed of the season. And the last update I want to show you today is the tomato bed. Here we have some cherry tomatoes. We've been harvesting from this one for a while, but there's some new plants here, all in cages. They have even begun to blossom. See? Well, I did say this was the last one, but no, it's not. Here's what the last bed I want to show you. These are eggplants right here. And sweet peppers or bell peppers. Here's some of them already started putting out the peppers. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to update you on today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope that you will consider subscribing if you have not yet done so. And please come back next time, see what's happening right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.